So I have my specification kit with all of my ingredients. There's the alginate, the calcium chloride, sodium citrate, there's my weighing scale, and there are my mangoes, which we're going to use to make a mango ravioli with. Let's get that set to 0. Okay, and we're going to place our container, and we're going to have to set it back to 0. Let's see if that works. Okay, that is back to 0. Now we're going to have to put in some calcium chloride. That calcium chloride, and we've got our 1000 grams of water. So what we're going to do is now dunk the calcium chloride in the water and let it dissolve so that we can have the calcium bath ready. Now that liquid, which is a mix of calcium chloride and water, is going in there so that it can get chilled. So we're going to put the 5 grams of calcium chloride and the 1000 grams of water in there. So while the calcium chloride bath is getting chilled, we're going to go make some mango puree. And now we're putting the final touches on the mango puree, which is pretty much ready to go into our purification bowl. And we made panna cotta. And the panna cotta is now ready. And that's one of the 2 bowls of panna cotta. And that is going in the fridge to join our calcium bath, which is in there. So here's 2 trays of panna cotta. We have our mango puree all measured and ready to go. We got this one that's got 304 grams and this one's got 370 grams. Funny thing is my recipe only wants 250 grams, so I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest. I did make myself a cup of mango milkshake though with the rest. So here we go. To make sure we get the right amount of water that needs to go into the mix. Therefore I need just about 70 grams more. This is tough. Okay. So now we're going to get 3.4 grams of sodium citrate. You can see that now. And mix it into that water out there. So that's the first part. So let's get 3.4 grams of sodium citrate. That's 3.43 grams of sodium citrate. We're a little bit off. Let's pour it out and see if everything goes through. So we got that poured out. Now that the sodium citrate's all mixed in, we are going to go to sodium alginate. So we got our 4.7 grams of sodium alginate. And we're going to dunk it in the water. If it doesn't get mixed right, we're going to go to that blender. So the sodium alginate's all blended in and it is now getting ready to boil. Once we boil, we cool and we mix in the mango puree. So all of the mango puree just got mixed in with the alginate and the citrate mixture with water, so it's started to form a thicker jelly. First we put spoons and dip them in the calcium bath, and once they've specified in the spoons, we're transferring them over to another spoon so that the other side can also specify. And we will take this and then it will get dumped. Once the other side is also specified, we will take this and dump it into the panna cotta, which Shilpa is going to show you. We've already dumped about 4 in there. We're going to dump a few more. Ooh. And then we've got another big tray of panna cotta coming, so we're going to dump a couple more in here. Shilpa is trying to move them around. You can see if you can see them sliding. Shilpa, stop! Don't slide it so much. Yeah. And then, once this one's ready, we're going to put in our panna cotta next. Ready? For it to go into our panna cotta.
Egg whites. So that is
Sunny side up. So we finally ended up making our sunny side up, which is really panna cotta with mango puree raviolis on top with cardamom sprinkled on it. And then we made some ketchup to go with it, which is strawberry reduction with just sugar and water. And then we got some mustard to go with it, which is just more mango puree.